Assalamu alaikum children. So today I am going to start the last chapter of your first term, that is No Room for a Leopard. Okay. So this story is basically about the decreasing population of the wildlife, especially the leopard, due to illegal hunting. Most of the people, because of their fun and for their entertainment, they do illegal hunting of the wildlife. The writer of this story also shows his deep love for the nature and for the animals and for the people too. Okay. So now let's read this interesting story about a leopard and his trust in humans. So now let's start. I first saw a leopard when I was crossing the small stream at the bottom of the hill. The ravine was so deep that for most of the day it remained in shadow. This encouraged many birds and animals to emerge from over during the hours of daylight. Few people ever passed that way. As a result, the ravine had become a little heaven for the wildlife. So here the writer says that first time he saw the leopard when he was crossing through the stream that was down at the bottom of the hill. And the ravine was so deep that most of the day it remained in shadow. Ravine means a valley. घाटी जिसे कहते हैं. That was so deep that most of the time it remained in complete darkness. Means वहाँ पे mostly अंधेरा रहा करता था, वो इतनी गहरी थी. And due to the darkness, most of the birds and animals they visit there during the daytime. They mostly remain in that ravine. Why the animals most of the time during the daytime they remain in that ravine? Why? What was the reason behind that? Because few people ever pass that way. Because very few people pass through that way, because that area was in complete darkness. That's why people also rarely visit that area. बहुत कमी से लोग वहाँ जाते थे क्योंकि वो ज़्यादातर अंधेरा रहा करता था, इसलिए लोग भी वहाँ ज़्यादा नहीं जाते थे. As a result, the ravine had become a little heaven for the wildlife, and because of this, heaven means a safe place. Because of this, that ravine also become a heaven for the wildlife. That become a safe place for the wildlife because the people rarely visit that area. So to protect themselves from the peoples or from hunting, most of the animals or the birds remain in that ravine during the daytime. Okay. Below my cottage was a forest of oak and maple and Himalayan rhododendron. A narrow path twisted its way down through the trees. At the bottom of the hill, a path led onto a grassy verge surrounded by wild dog roses. The stream ran close by the verge, tumbling over smooth pebbles. Here the writer says that he lived just near the forest. Means his cottage was just near the forest. As here it is said that below my cottage was a forest of oak. Means the forest was just near to him, and there were the trees of oak and maple and Himalayan rhododendron. These are the name of the trees. A narrow path twisted its way down through the trees. So here he described the area that was near to his home. Means that path was very narrow that goes to his house. So here he described the area that was between the forest and his cottage. Means the path led onto a grassy verge. Grassy verge means the sides of the road that was covered with the grass. And there were wild dog roses also. The stream also ran close by the verge, tumbling over the smooth. There were smooth pebbles also, and the streams also ran through that area. Nearly every morning I heard the cry of the barking deer. I saw the pine martens and a handsome red fox. So here writer says that nearly every morning means every morning he heard the cry of the barking deer, and he also saw the pine martens. These are the name of the animals, pine martens and the handsome red fox. He mostly, because he lives just near to the forest, so he saw the bear, red fox, these wild animals. I recognized the footprints of a bear. As I had not come to take anything from the jungle, the birds and animals soon grew accustomed to my face. After some time, my approach did not disturb them. So here the writer says that he can easily recognize the footprints of a bear. Means he becomes so familiar with the animals, he can easily recognize the footprints also of the bear. Means वो आसानी से bear के footprints होते हैं आसानी से पहचान सकता था क्योंकि because he was very familiar with the animals. As I had not had come to take anything from as the writer normally visits the forest and he even not cause any harm to the animals, because of his this nature the animals